So I'm just doing this short video as a little disclaimer for health and safety. A lot of the stuff you see me do, I don't wear the proper PPE and some of my equipment's not set up safely. So don't do what I do, be safe, do your own research into PPE and the tools you're using. Otherwise, you'll be like me. You'll have hands, you'll have scars all over yourself, you'll have bits of metal in your eye, and you'll have damaged hearing, which is why people complain about my audio on my videos sometimes. And that's no good if you've got a YouTube channel. Here's a short video. Have a great day. Right, this is a safety instructional video. Don't do this. No, stop! Cover your eyes up. Right. This is still no good. No. No, no. Cover yourself up. What have you got on your feet? No, that's no good either. You need long pants, preferably non-flammable. Non-flammable socks. You need to cover your feet up with shoes, preferably steel toe caps, but they're going to have to do. No, you need long sleeves. That's better. Safety glasses. Yep, ear defenders. Yep, you need a dust mask if you're doing something dusty. And of course your welding helmet to protect your eyes. Yes, that's right. And gloves. You're all set to go.